Welcome back to Autoscope. Bugatti Motorhome 2026. The exterior design of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is distinctly Bugatti. The Chiron and Bolide, two premier hypercars, served as direct inspiration for its sweeping, aerodynamic design. The body is made of a carbon fiber composite monocoque, which offers the best strength-to-weight ratio because it is both incredibly strong and lightweight. Bugatti's bigger, iconic horseshoe grille, which is decorated with a solid silver Bugatti logo, dominates the front. The adaptive matrix LED technology used in the incredibly thin headlights modifies the illumination pattern in real time according to traffic and road conditions. Interior: the cockpit, living area, galley, master bedroom, and bathroom are the several functional zones that make up the interior. Exotic woods, precision-cut metal, exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara, and the finest Napa leather are used. A huge old tablet built into the wall controls every aspect of the car, including the comforts within. The high-end entertainment system has a 3D audio system made by Burmester or Focal. Smart glass, which can alter transparency and color at the push of a button, is used in the huge windows. The inside includes a foldable dining table, a leather sofa that doubles as a bed, and an interactive TV screen that can show movies or outside views. Gaggenau or meal appliances, such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, and built-in refrigerator, are featured in the simple yet incredibly practical kitchen. The large bedroom has panoramic windows, a walk-in wardrobe, and a king-size bed. It has an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 petrol engine that has been tuned for low RPM torque and economy. Two electric motors mounted on the front and rear axles are connected to this engine. It makes use of Bugatti's adaptive suspension technology, which automatically modifies the shock absorber's height and stiffness. There is a secret garage at the back of the car that can hold a Bugatti artificial intelligence. Powers the navigation system. Have a virtual personal assistant.